Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping quickly. Comb through and remove tangles so the braid sits smooth. This prevents bumps later. Once done, part into 3 to 4 horizontal rows and clip the top sections away. This creates a clean workspace and consistent tension. Make sure the extension strands are aligned and detangled. Why? Because neat wefts braid into natural-looking ends and reduce slipping. Begin the first small braid at the nape, keeping traction even but not painfully tight, then feed in hair gradually. You now perform the feed-in technique step by step. Take a small subsection and divide into 3, then add roughly 1/3 of the extension length into the outer strand before crossing it over. This incremental addition avoids bulky joints and creates a tapered, natural end. It also reduces stress on your roots. Keep consistent tension and braid close to the scalp for a neat finish. Once a row is complete, secure the end with a small elastic and move upward. Repeat until all sections are done. You finish by sealing and blending the extensions. Use a quick knot or light heat method depending on fiber, then trim any uneven strands to match your natural shape. Once blended, apply a small amount of styling product to tame flyaways and ensure the extensions move with your hair. If you notice a loose spot or visible gap, stop and rebraid that section right away. Retightening early prevents slippage and preserves overall tension. Finally, check comfort. Adjust if you feel pulling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.